After looking at a couple different quotes, Absolute Roof Solutions seemed to be the most fair, and we really appreciated the kindness and the service and the friendliness that we had with Justin. Once the crew arrived, we noticed immediately the professionalism, the friendliness, the courteousness. They were always, making sure that what they were doing wasn't interfering with our day-to-day lives. Everything was done quickly, very efficiently, and above our expectations. Absolute Roof Solutions really made us feel like we were part of the family. Our service, our interactions with the crew and Justin were above our expectations, and we feel like we could contact them should any emergency or anything come up in the future, and that they would still provide us with that amazing service.